Okay, so next one is the TV sound bank. Here it is right here on the top. Yeah, all of it is on reverse, so. Can you use this? Can you use this? You call me? You call me? How are we doing? I'm not doing too bad. How about you? You love it? You love it? Is this a lot better than the other sound banks? Whoa. Did you say this is so awesome? You think I should get rid of this one and keep the rest of it and keep keep this one and throw others away? That's what I meant. Sorry. Found yourself? Did you really found yourself? There are a lot. How old am I? How old do you think I am? That was good. Does this sound smoothly? On 7? I kind of like this one better. Something about a funeral? Did somebody have a funeral today? Was that you? Alpaca. 4th of July? Are you guys going to be there on the 4th of July? Okay. Are you? Speaking of the 4th of July, fireworks are for the soldiers. Are there any spirits of soldiers here? There we go. This is a lot better. Paranormal, you got it. I'm just gonna have to keep this and take other stuff away. I mean, others are okay, but I like this one better. There you go, funny. It's just for the test. I'll put it all back on after this. Still good? Yeah. Need some help? Some about glory? Move on. It's not bad. Dang. I should have done this one at first. I know it. It's a lot, yeah. Holy cow. Cameron said it? The Mason's bad? How bad? No problem? Was that the orb I just saw? The alien place. It sucked. Yeah, I might as well have to like throw all the sound banks away and keep this one. I like this one better. I'm trying to find some other sound. That's good. Yeah, diabetes. Yeah, I do have that. But I don't care. I'm still gonna eat this stuff no matter what. Nations. Yeah, I know. All right. Yeah, I know what you mean. All right, 2 sound banks. Or not sound banks, 2 channels, I meant. Sorry. You know me? Do you recognize me? No. The 97? Is it possible if I can get Tim Duggar to come through and see if he wants to try this? Or anybody? Is that you? I hate it. This is a lot better. Do I need it? Hello. Me on my something? I'm gonna put all four banks or channels back on. It's a lot better in all 4. General. Holy cow. Was that another orb I just saw? The slam. This flame. Holy cow. Oh my god. Is this playing tricks on me or what? I can't even tell. Am I really getting your guys' voice coming through?
No.
Did you say you all know? So something.
No.
Yeah, that's nothing. Man. Yeah, I'm definitely going to take all these channels out, or the sound banks out, and leave that one. It's a lot. Oh, this is great. You know why? Something about slime? This really sounds smoothly. No. Oh my gosh.
No.
Now it's nothing. So a lot, dude. Maybe there is. I don't know. Dang. Gryffindor? Are you mentioning the movie of the Harry Potter? Scott? Yeah, that's me. Dang. Yeah? Hey, how are you? Oh, this is great. Oh, for real. Oh, wow. Now it's nasty. This is really good. Mineral. Alright, it's getting ready to be 14 minutes. I'm going to go ahead and shut this down. So, thank you for testing it. Griffin, Alright, thank you guys. Still allowing this. Okay, well, yeah, this is what I did. I had the phone under this TV here, which is right here, and I just recorded it. And I just set this channel here for like 5 seconds, then changing to the next channel, and another 5 seconds. Like I counted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, this and that. Well, you know the drill. Yeah, and this is how I got this. So, all right, this is Skyros Coleman saying, "Oh my Titans, human realm, shutting down this session, or you can call it. Actually, no, just a test. So y'all have a nice night, nice day. There you go. Owl House Paranormal."